Addition. It is a symbol of addition. Addition means putting things together. Addition means putting things together. Hope you all remember this one. Yes, na? Yes. So, we will be having a small recap on what we saw yesterday. Okay, Kanna. So, at the last, ma'am was saying you about the words, right? You all remember what words are? Yes, we will be having a small recap now so that you will have a better knowledge of the words which related to the addition. Okay. Yes. So open your mouth and say the words along with me, but by muting your audio. Okay, Kanna. Yes. Now say along with me. In all together, totally, plus, and Chiringanam. These are the words related to the addition. These are the words related to the addition. Whenever you come across these words, it means you have to remember that you have to add the numbers or given objects. Okay, Kanna. Can we do one more time? Yes, say along with me. In all together, totally, plus, and sum. So plus is, as you all know, plus is the symbol of addition, and sum is what? Sum is the answer which comes after the equal to. Yes, na? Sum is the answer which comes after the equal to. Yes, very good. Super. So these are the words related to the addition. These are the words related to the addition. Okay. So we will move on to the next slide. Okay. Yesterday we were seeing different ways of addition, right? In that we saw two methods. What are those methods? Do you remember what those methods are? Yes, I know you people know better than me. Yes, the first method is counting, that is adding using your fingers. Adding using your fingers. Do you remember that small girl who was standing nearby the window and she was counting how many cars were passing there? Yes. So how she was adding all those cars? She was adding using her fingers. Ma'am also asked you to do an activity with that, right? Leaving three fingers in your hand, right hand, and two fingers in your left hand, and total up all together how many fingers you have left. All those things we have done yesterday, right? So again, ma'am will give you two numbers. You have to add in your fingers and you have to say me the answer. Okay, then we will be checking it whether it is correct or not. Okay, Karna. So in your note, what you are going to do is you are going to write 3. Yes, everyone write in your note 3. Very good. Now write the next number as 1. Have you all written? Yes, superb. So what is the next step I have to do here? I have to put a plus symbol. Why we have to put a plus symbol? Why? Because we are going to add everything with our fingers. Yes, na? Yes. Okay. Now we will see what is the answer which is going to come here. So now sit straight. Leave 3 fingers in your right hand. Very good. So now leave 1 finger in your left hand. Okay, so now can we count all the fingers together? Yes, now count along with me. 1, 2, 3 fingers you left in your right hand and 1 finger in your left hand. So totally how many fingers we have left? Yes, we have left 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Very good. So answer is 4. The sum of the addition is 4. Very good. Hope you all remember this one. Yes, na? Very good. Okay. So what is the next one which we saw yesterday? Next method. Drawing objects for the numbers. Okay, Kanna. Yes, again, this is also the sum which you are going to do in your note by drawing number of balls. Okay, by drawing number of balls. Okay, ma'am will be giving you a number. Two numbers ma'am will be giving you, and you have to draw the balls, and you have to count and say me how much it is there all together. Okay. Yes. So now let me give you the first number as again 3. First number is 3. Write in your note. Very good. Yes. Now the second number is 2. Okay. The second number is 2. Now what is the next step I have to do? What we are going to do now? We are going to add all those things, right? So what is the symbol of addition? Plus. The symbol of addition is plus. Yes, after this we are going to derive the answer. We are going to sum it up. So okay. Now what is the first number I have given here? It is 3, right? So how many balls you have to draw? Yes, of course, it is 3 balls. So you also draw 3 balls in your note. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls. Very good. Have you all drawn? Yes, superb. Now we will move on to the next number. What is the next number? The next number is 2. So how many balls we have to draw? We have to draw 2 balls. Can we draw 2 balls now? Yes, draw along with me. 1 ball, 2 balls. Very good. So now we are going to total all together. Can we total all together? How many balls are there? So that we will get the sum. That is the answer. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls are there? 5 balls. So we will write 5 in the answer. Hey, hooray! We got the answer. Super. Ma'am is going to give you a big star. I know you people have done correctly in your note, isn't it? Yes, superb, Kanna. Yes, now we will move on to a new method. New method. What is this? New method. We are going to do the addition using the number line. We are going to use the addition using the number line. Now what you are going to do is you are going to sit straight and close your eyes. Ma'am is going to show you a surprise. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Hi. See how he is jumping. After a long time he is seeing you, right? He is very happy to see you after a long time. Say hi to him. Very good. Do you remember what last time this ribbit frog taught you? Yes, of course. It was the before and after number. Yes, na? Yes, very good. Now he has come to teach you the number line. How to use number line for the addition. Okay, Kanna, remember that only if you mute your audio as well as the video, only then it will be visible for you. Okay. Sukanya ma'am?
I'll just keep that number line this ma'am.
No, actually my video is not shown for me actually.
Okay.
Only your video is being shown. Okay, thank you so much. You can share it later, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, Kanna. So, see here. So, this ribbit frog is going to teach you the number line. Okay. Yes. So, before that, kindly mute. Everyone should mute your video as well as the audio. Only then the frog, ribbit frog and the number line will be visible to you. Okay, Kanna. Yes, see, what is this? This is the line which has numbers. Okay, this one we called it as number line. This one we called it as number line. Very good. Okay, are you all aware of what is this number is? What is this number? Zero. What is this number? Zero. Zero means what, ma? Zero means nothing. Zero means nothing. So it is here. Ma'am has drawn many stones here. Yes, now if the video is not visible, kindly everyone in the class, please mute your video so that everyone can see the video. Kanna, please. If you have the video on, then other parents will not be seen the video. Please mute everyone, the video as well as the audio. Okay, thank you. Yes, so here, ma'am has drawn many stones here. For each and every number, ma'am has drawn a stone. But here, did I draw any stone here? No. Why I didn't draw? Why? Because 0 means empty, nothing. So I didn't draw anything here. Okay, so 0 means nothing, empty. Now we will ask Rabbit Frog to jump to the 0 number. Okay, why? Why? Because we are going to do the addition only in the one digit, that is from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Okay, Rabbit Frog, jump to 0. Jump. Very good. Now he came to 0. Superb. So now in your note, what you are going to do is, ma'am is going to give you two numbers and you are going to write in your note and say the Rabbit Frog how many steps he has to jump forward, in forward. Okay, Kanna. Yes. Now write number 4 in your note. Have you all written? Yes. Okay, now write the plus symbol. Have you all written the plus symbol? Yes, very good. Now write 2 in your note. Very good. What is the next step I have to write here? It is the equal to symbol. 2 sleeping line, equal to symbol. So now I have to find the answer. That is the sum. Okay, now what is the first number here? It is 4, right? So now you people are going to say how many jumps does this Rabbit Frog has to do. Okay, so now how many steps he has to jump? 4 steps he has to jump. So count along with me. Let him jump. Say 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 step. Very good. Now he is standing in 4. He is standing in number 4. Very good. So we made the first number. Okay, now what is the second number? It is 2, right? Okay, now how many steps he has to jump? He has to jump 2 times. Okay, can we make the frog to jump 2 times? Make him to jump 2 times. 1 time and 2 times. So finally he is sitting on number 6. Finally he is sitting on the number 6. Very good. So the answer we get here is 6. Superb. So we got the answer. Okay, now Rabbit Frog will not be visible for you all the time, right? So you have to draw the number line now. So ma'am is going to teach you how to draw the number line and do the calculation. Okay, first put a sleeping line. Okay, yes, then you have to write from 0 to 9. Okay, Kanna. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So first, how many steps the frog was jumping, the rabbit is jumping? 4 steps, right? So we will also jump 4 times from 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we reach number 4. Okay, so what is the next? How many steps we have to jump next? What is the next number here? It is 2. So we are going to jump 2 times. 1 time and 2 times. Finally we reach the number 6. Finally we reach the number 6. So that is the answer. We got the answer. Very good. Wonderful. I hope you all written this one in your note, right? Okay, now ma'am will give you another sum so that you have to do along with me. Okay, Kanna? Okay, now write the second sum in your note. Okay, write 3 in your note. Along with this, what is the next step I have to do? I have to put plus here. Very good. So what is the next step? Any number we have to give here. What number we can give? Can we give 4? Yes, we can give 4 here. Okay, what is the next step? Equal to symbol. Very good. Now then last step is we have to derive the answer for this. Yes, na? Okay, now open your mouth and say how many steps the frog has to jump now? How many steps? Yes, 3 steps he has to jump. 1 time. Okay. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. Very good. So we made it for the number 3. Now let him jump for 4 times for the next number. Okay, can we count? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 jumps he has made. So finally he reached the number 7. So 7 is the answer. Very good. So can we do it in the number line now? Yes, draw a number line. Frog, move and go. Yes. Okay. Number line. A long sweeping line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Initially, how many jumps the frog made for the first number? It was 3, right? So we can also jump 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Very good. For the next number you are jumping 4 times. So we can also jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, finally he reached the number 7. So 7 is the answer. Have you all got the answer? Very good. Ma'am will give you a big star for you. This star is for you and also a smiley. Can you see the star and smiley? Yes, wonderful. So a good also for you. Very good, Kanna. So you all made it. You all made the addition using the number line. Thank you. So the next method and properties of addition, Suganya ma'am will be teaching you and enjoy the session. Thank you so much.
Children, putting things together. We saw many types, know how to add? Yes, we saw using fingers. We saw using objects. We saw them using number line. Yes, you all familiar? Yes. You all familiar with doing additions with number line? Yes, now ma'am is going to show you a different one. Yes. Sit straight. Sit straight. Yes, we are going to do with the mental math. Yes. See, listen. Keep your notebook down. Keep your pencils down. Sit straight. Yes. Now one number is going to come for you. Yes. What is the first number here? It's 5. Yes. What is the number below 5? It's 3. Yes. Now we are going to add this 2 number using our mental maths, using our mind. Yes, the first number, you should keep it in your mind. Yes, see, ma'am will teach you. Okay, listen carefully. 5 in the mind. See, 5 in the mind. 5 in the mind and 3 in the finger. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Come on, you all, show your fingers. Take 3 fingers out. Open it. Yes. Now shall we count? 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. You all are familiar with this. Yes. Listen, there is a 2 numbers. First number you should keep it in your mind. And the second number you should keep in your fingers. Then you should say, first number you should keep it in the mind now. So you should say 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, we got the answer as 8. Now ma'am is going to give you another number. You are going to do. Ready? Yes. See, listen. 2 numbers are there. What is the first number here? 7. What is the below number? It's 2. Yes. Now we are going to do the calculation using our mind. Yes. Come on. Say with me. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, it's 8 and 9. Yes, we found the answer as 9. Yes. Now, ma'am is going to show you the properties of addition. Before that, are you all familiar with your mind calculation? Yes, ask your mother to give some numbers. You should sit along with your mother and finish it. Okay, with the help of mind calculation, you should do the additions. Yes, now we are going to go to the next topic. It's properties of addition. Yes, addition also has some properties that only ma'am is going to teach you now. Yes, let us see the first property. Yes, it's addition with 0. Yes, you all are familiar with number from 0 to 9, right? Yes, till now we saw only the numbers adding using 1 to 9. Yes, now we are going to see addition with 0. Yes, what is this? Caterpillar. Yes, caterpillar is having cupcakes, right? You all like to eat the cake? Yes, see, caterpillar also like to eat the cake. Let's count how many cakes are in the plate. 1, 3, and 4. Yes, there is 4 cupcakes. This caterpillar is going to go to. Yes, what is this? Giraffe. Yes, see, but giraffe is not having any cupcake with it, right? Yes, so what is caterpillar planning? It is coming to giraffe and giving the cupcakes. Now, both are going to count. Giraffe is having any cupcake? No, nothing is there in giraffe hand. Yes, so if nothing is there, what we will write? 0. Yes, now we are going to count. See, there is 4 cupcakes with the caterpillar. There is no cake with giraffe. So we are going to put 0. What is the symbol of addition? Yes, very good. I'm getting many chat and answers in the chat. It's plus sign. And now the 2 sleeping line equal to. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, we got the same answer, right? Yes, the property of addition first one is whenever we add any number with 0, we get the same answer. We get the same answer. Yes, see here. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. Yes, remember, whenever we add any number with 0, we get the same number. Come on, repeat with ma'am. What is the property of addition? First one, addition with 0. whenever we add any number with 0, we get the same number. Yes. See? 0 means nothing, right? It does not have any value. When it join with any other number only, it has value. Single digit of 0 does not have any value. Yes. Now see, there is banana. You all like to have banana? Yes, I also like to have banana. See, shall we count how many bananas here in plate A? Yes, come on, count with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, there is 5 bananas. In B, no banana is there. Yes, no banana. No banana means what? It is empty. Then means you should write 0. Yes. Now shall we add A and B? Yes. Count how many bananas there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, we have 5 bananas. Remember, 5 plus 0 equal to 5. Yes, we will get the same number. Yes, any number which is added with 0, we will get the same number. Yes, there is fish for you here. See, there is 3 fishes, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 fishes in tank A. In tank B, do we have any fish there? No. So what we should write? If there is nothing, what we should write? Which number? Yes, it's 0. Very good. Some are answering in the chat box. I am going to give you a star for you all. So there is nothing, right? So we will write it as 0. Now we are going to add this in any number. If we add any number with 0, what we will get? The same number. Yes, 3 plus 0 equal to 3. The same number. Yes, now we are ma'am is going to show you another example. Yes, it's a flower. Yes, how many honeybees is there in the flower? 2, right? Very good. Right. Write it in your notebook as 2. Have you all written? Now put the plus sign. Write 0. There is no honeybee in B, right? Yes, now equal to symbol. So if we add any number with 0, what we will get? The same number we will get. We will get the same number. So write 2. So remember children, addition first property is if we add any number with 0, we get the same number. Yes, this is property 1. Now we are going to the second property. What is the second property? Number and one more. Yes, till now we saw adding plus 0 to the number. Now we are going to see with plus 1. Yes, we are going to add plus 1 to the number and find the answer. This is the property 2. The ma'am is going to explain you with the picture. Yes, what is this? Monkey. Yes, monkey loves to eat banana. Yes. How many bananas is there in the monkey's hand? Shall we count? Yes. 1 and 2. How many bananas is there? 2. Kindly mute, dear. How many bananas? 2 banana. And yes, very good. Mute yourself. See, now this banana is having another one. Yes, already it was having 2. 1 and 2. Now another banana monkey is having. So we will put what number here? 1. So what is the second property? Adding plus 1 to the number. Yes. When we add plus 1 to the given number, we will get after number of this. Yes. Now count how many bananas is there with monkey. 1, 2 and 3. Yes. How many bananas? 3. So what is the second property? When we add plus 1 to the given number, we will get the after number of that number. Yes, when we add plus 1 to the given number, we will get the after number of that number. Yes, ma'am is going to explain you with the carrot. Yes, rabbit likes to eat carrot. Do you all like to have carrot? Yes, very good. If you eat carrot, what will be happening to you? Your eyesight will become, yes, it will become very sharp. So you should eat carrot. Ask your mother to cook and give you carrot. Okay. Eat carrot and become very strong and healthy. Yes, see? How many carrots this rabbit is having? Will you all count with me? Yes, come on, count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many carrots is there? 4 carrots. Yes, this rabbit was walking in the street. See, now it got how many carrots? Shall we count? Come on, count with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, already it was having 4. Now, yes, another one. So, we are going to add and see another carrot is there with the rabbit, right? Yes. So, we are going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, very good. When we add plus 1 to the given number, we will get the after number of that. Yes, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Very good. Whenever we add plus 1 to the given number, we will be getting the next number. See, one more than number 4 is number 5. Yes, now carrot. See, ma'am is going to explain you with the carrot. Yes, see here. When we add any number with 0, what we will get? We will get the same number. We will get the same number. Yes, see, ma'am is going to add plus 1 with 0. Then we will get the same number as 1. Yes, that is the rule 1. Property 1. Now, the second one is ma'am said you to add plus 1. So, when we add plus 1 to the given number, we will get the after number. It's 2. Now, we are going to add plus 1 to 2. What we will be getting? 3. Yes. Same way now, ma'am is going to add 6 plus 1. 6. Come on, 6 in the mind. 1 in the finger. After 6, we will get 7. Yes. So, whenever we add plus 1 to the given number, we will be getting the after number. Yes, that is the property 2. Yes. Same way, 8 plus 1 is 9. Yes, same way, when we add plus 1 to the given number, we will be getting the next number. Yes. Remember, children, we saw 2 properties, right? Yes. Now, ma'am is going to show you the another example. See, here we have 3 number. Here we have 3 carrots. How many carrots is there? 3 carrots. Now, ma'am is going to add one more carrot to this. Ma'am is going to add one more carrot to this. Yes. Shall we count now? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are having here 4. Yes. When we add plus 1 to the given number, we will be getting the after number. Yes. So, we saw 2 property. Now, ma'am is going to show you the another property, that is order property. In order property, see, there is an example for you. See, yellow color rock. Can you see the yellow color stone here? Yes. How many frogs are sitting in the yellow color? 1 and 2. How many? Yellow color. How many frogs are sitting in yellow color? It's two. Now we are going to add both the frogs. See in orange color how many frogs are sitting? In orange color. One, two, and three. Yes, it is three. Shall we count all together? One, two, three, four, and five. So all together we are getting five. All together we are getting five. Yes, their total number of frogs here is five. Same way, see in this picture. Yes, in yellow color, how many frogs are sitting in this picture? One, two, and three. How many? Three. So now we are going to add. Now in orange color, one and two. Yes. What is the total number of frogs here? How many frogs are there? One, two, three, four, and five. So it is five. Remember now? Just think. Yes, what we saw. In the first picture we saw. How many frogs first picture we saw? We saw two in yellow color and three in orange color. Right? Yes. And in the second picture we saw three in yellow color and two in orange color. In whichever order the number is, we will get the same answer. Yes. Shall we count? One, two. Then how many? What number is here? Three. One, two, three. Shall we count? One, two, three, four, and five. Yes, there was total number of frogs was five in the picture A. And here one, two, three, four, five. So the total number is here also 5. So remember the third property is order property. Whatever order the number is, we will get the sum up will be the same. We will get the same answer. We will get the same answer. See, there is another example for you. Yes, aeroplane. Birds are flying in the aeroplane. Yes. See, they are going somewhere. In picture A, how many bird is there? We have one bird. Whereas in picture 2, we have two birds, right? So, how many birds are there all together? One, two, and three. Very good. I'm getting answers in chat box. Very good. So, there are three birds. Yes. Now we are going to see in the picture 2. We are moving around this side. How many birds are there in picture 1? It is 2 birds. And in picture B, it is 1. Yes. We listen carefully. In first picture we had 2 plus 1. So equal to 3. In second picture, it is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So, what is the third property? Whatever order the number is, we will get the same answer. The answer remains the same. Yes, now we will have a short recap. Okay, what all we saw today? We saw using mind calculation. First addition we saw using number line. Yes, frog came and helped you, right? It jumped from one number to another number. So we saw the number line. With the number line we did the addition. And with the mind calculation we did the addition. Yes. Then we saw 3 property. The first property is any number. If we add 0, we will get the same answer. We will get the same answer. Yes. Any number if we add with plus 0, we will be getting the same answer. Yes. And what we saw the next property? Plus 1. Very good. If we add plus 1, we will be getting the after number. We will be getting the after number. And the third one is whatever order is the number. Whatever order the number is, we will be getting the same answer. Yes, children. we have given you the recap. Those who are having books, you can do your book back exercises. Those who are not having, no problem. Take your old notebook. Ask your mother to give some sums from 0 to 9, numbers from 0 to 9. Sit along with your mother. Practice your addition using number line, mental marks, properties. Okay, finish your worksheets and send in the WhatsApp group. So you were all very quiet, no? So what ma'am is going to give you now? A big star. Ma'am is going to give you a big star, ice cream, smiley, and what good? Yes, and addition good. You all
Yeah,
like addition good? Ah, yeah, that's all. Finished, ma'am. Yeah, I'm going to give you the addition good. Yes, you are going to get the addition symbol good. Okay? Be happy. Stay at home and be safe. Obey your parents. Thank you.